How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a trade I took on SPY today and a trade that I took on Amazon today. But before we get started with this recap, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I will say this was not my game plan from the beginning, right? Wasn't something I had planned out pre-market. Plan pre-market was wait on that 410 bounce area down here or a reject at 413.8 on SPY with confirmation of SPX. Now the trade I took, as you can see, we're starting to trend up, right? We come down pre-market, hit this demand, starting to trend up. We got back above prior day close here, showing that we have some strength, right? So I said, okay, I want to catch this uptrend. My thought process was I'll catch this uptrend on the 5-minute here, play it up to my reject level. I did call this trade out live inside Team Bull. We got in right here when we pulled back off of a nice retest entry. Got in. Honestly, it was kind of hesitant. When we got in, it didn't really do what I wanted to immediately. Kind of a slower pace trade. It finally had to move up. I did not like how his hesitation. So I said, all right, I'm scalping, taking my profits. It did end up breaking half day here. The same day expiration moved decent. I made the mistake of actually buying the same day expiration when I meant to go with the tomorrow's expiration. I got in a bit of a hurry. I did end the day under my daily go. As you can see right here, this is my gains from today. My daily go is, sometimes I make a lot more, sometimes I make less. It just depends on the trade and how quickly it does what I want it to do. My daily goal is around 1,000 to 1,300. Sometimes I make quite a bit more, sometimes I'm a little under, but I like to keep it in that range. That's where I'm at with my trading. Don't get me wrong, some days I have one of them where it seems like you can't miss. The trade does exactly what you want it to do. You have a huge day. But I'd rather focus on consistency, small base hits. I'm in this for long term, right? This is a long term income. This is not something I plan on getting rich overnight with. Now, let's talk about this Amazon trade. This was at my personal level. Another admin, J Dunn, in Team Bull called this trade out. The level looked good. So what we was looking for was a bounce around this 108.5 area was what we was watching. Nice area of confluence there, VWAP. We got in and it just didn't work out. We come up, we had to move up 15, 20 cents per contract. I've seen some hesitation here. Anytime I see hesitation when I'm taking a trade like this, a bounce, or if I just don't feel comfortable, I simply take my profits. I was super light in this trade to begin with. I made like $25 off this trade, I believe it was. But I just wanted to show you this trade to kind of give you my thought process. If I'm not comfortable and I feel like a trade's about to fail and I'm just right at break even or a little bit in the green, I'll just take my profits, get out, remove myself out of that situation. It does continue on, that's okay. I'll live to trade another day, but hopefully this helps some of you all out. And yes, I'm still waiting on my levels to trigger from my watch list. I will still give them a go if we get to them today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.